Contemporary theories of management take into account both human behavior and environmental factors. For example, the contingency view recognizes that what a manager might do in one situation is based on the unique factors or contingencies of the situation. In a rapidly changing industry, managers need to quickly make decisions, whereas in a slower-moving industry, there is more time for implementation. Another contemporary management view is the systems perspective. Systems have interrelated parts that work together to achieve a goal. Organizational systems include inputs, transformations, and feedback. Think about a business building a birdhouse. It needs all the raw materials, or inputs, and then it needs the proper engineering designs and equipment to transform the raw materials into a birdhouse, which is the output. Then the business takes into account feedback from customers, its competition, and its employees, and refines the process, if necessary, to build an even better birdhouse. You can probably see how both of these modern management perspectives take into account all of the internal and external factors that impact an organization, which is why effective managers need to be good at both contingency management and systems thinking.